Hi everybody. I want to talk a little bit about sky because I'm working on a very large sky. So I haven't done a lot of sky videos, but this is what's going on here. I've got 7 trees, and I've chosen 7 because I am one of 7 sisters. And I mean 3, 5, 7 because I'm one of 7 sisters. I always seem to gravitate towards that number. So what I've got here is I've got 2 shades of Tiffindale that look almost exactly alike, but one is much grayer and one is much bluer. Because I've used a lot of bright colors in here, I can't go putting a gray sky up here because it's going to look odd, right? So I have some Briggs and Little yarn or McCausland's. It's just a fine yarn. Then I have some hand dyed. I have a light blue, almost a pale white blue. I have a strong sky blue. I have a blue sort of boucle, and I have a blue tweed. But they're quite, like, some of them are quite close together. You can see that. Now, when I'm hooking in these areas, I just want to show you what I'm doing. And Lorna's going to bring the camera in a little closer here. I'm hooking large, big areas of color. So, and they're odd shapes. So what I do is maybe take a sort of cloud shape almost. So it would look like this. And I try to bring it through the trees because the tree, what I want the sky behind the trees. So if I use the light blue tiff over here, not the gray tiff, but the light blue tiff, then I'm going to carry it through over here. And the other thing, so I'm going to use this quite a few times. I'm not just going to use one strip of color and then leave it. I'm going to keep going back to this color for a little bit because what I want is larger bodies of color. But what you also notice is that as I'm hooking, I'm outlining the tree again. See, I'm getting in there and I'm trying to get in the open spaces anywhere where there's a loose outline, and I'm trying to get in there because I'm repeating the outline of the tree and sort of strengthening the shape of the tree as I hook it. But you can see that I'm not just going to, once I do the outline, I'm not just going to follow that outline. I'm going to go and create a kind of cloud-like space. And I'm going to keep using the same color. And that's very important. What I think one of the mistakes that people continuously make is they use one strip of wool or make small spotty areas of color. So this is going to end up getting joined together with the gray Tiffindale on this side. So that's lesson 1 in trees. And in the sky behind the trees. Thanks.